Just 3 ingredients, mix, chill, and it's done. In a bowl, start by adding 400 grams of cream. Then, add a packet of juice. I'm using strawberry flavor here, but you can use your preferred one. And let's mix it really well until it gets the right consistency. Guys, when it's firm like this, it's ready. Let's put it aside. In another bowl, add another 400 grams of cream and another packet of juice, your choice of flavor. And let's mix it. Put this aside too. I'm here with 200 grams of dark chocolate. I'll put in 200 grams of cream. And I'll take it to microwave or bain-marie until it's melted. And now, guys, just mix it really well until it becomes our ganache. In a dish, let's start to layer our dessert. Now add another layer on top. And finally, our ganache. Now just fridge until it's chilled or the chocolate is set. After that, all is left is to enjoy. And see, guys, how amazing this dessert turns out. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. And I hope you guys liked it. This was another recipe from Pobre in the kitchen. A big hug. Till next time, and thanks.